Hello, my name is Jeff, and I am the inventor of the Portaband Pro Portable Band Saw Jig. I designed this jig to be used with the Milwaukee Portable Band Saw models 6232 corded or the 2729 cordless portable band saws. Either one of these models will fit. With this video, I will show you how to install the Milwaukee Portable Band Saw to the jig and adjust the blade for a straight cut. Now these are a few of the tools you're going to need. A 3/4 inch wrench, 9/16 wrench, 1/2 inch wrench, 11/32 nut driver or wrench, and the 3/32 hex key, which I provide in your kit. Remove your lanyard, let the saw open, and turn it. Next, remove the gas spring with the gas spring quick release and drop the base. Next, remove the headlock. Remove the trigger assembly. Make sure the top adjustment plate slides. Now you're ready to install the saw. Now I'm installing a corded bandsaw. The first thing you're going to do, tilt the base forward and put the cord through the hole in the back of the base. Put the base down, tilt, install until it's nice and seated. Now reinstall the headlock. Get your 1/2 inch wrench and tighten these bolts firmly. Next, twist in your left and right adjuster knobs so it firmly clamps the saw's handle in place. Now we're going to slide the trigger assembly through. Put the nut back in. And tighten it so it stays a little loose, and then test your trigger. Now we're ready to adjust the blade. Okay, so now we're going to adjust the blade. I'm going to take the base of the saw, jig here, push it up, and make sure your 3/4 bolts are loose so the base slides around. Now we're going to slide the base till the blade fits right in the slot. And what you're going to do is center it as center as you can get it. And you're going to snug these bolts back up. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to notice that the blade is closer to the top than it is on the bottom. To get that out, you're going to turn the left handle adjuster to tight and the right handle adjuster loose, and as you do that you can see the blade getting straighter and straighter. Now that the blade's straight, you're going to loosen your 3 bolts up and you're going to slide the base over a little bit to reposition the blade in the center of the slot. Just like that. Retighten. And keep doing this until you get that blade as straight as you can possibly get it in there. And we're thinking right about there is where I'm going to keep it for our test. So let's snug our bolts up. Let's hook up our gas spring. And now we're going to test it with our small square. This is going to make sure that the arc of the cut is going to be square. So what we're going to do is you're going to put your square right against the blade in the closed position, then open the blade, the saw. And if that blade continually touches the square, your saw is in perfect adjustment. As you can see by this one, we're already there. The saw is barely touching all the way down. So that means that your arc of your cut is going to be a nice straight cut. From here, remember to tighten your top adjuster plate. When you're all done adjusting, snug that up. Now we're going to make a test cut with our jig. We're going to cut a piece of angle iron. And check your cut for square. Got it perfect that way, and we got it perfect that way. So now you know your saw is cutting exactly square.